Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm solar cooking in two different ways. The first way is that I'm baking some taters with onions and mushrooms, etc. in this regular solar cooker. And it cooks directly from the sun, which means that the light's shining off of these reflectors right onto a black bowl and heating, and it is currently at 250 degrees. Now it would have been a lot hotter earlier, but see those clouds right there? The sun was behind those clouds. But I'm also cooking in the car, and I'm using a lithium deep cycle battery that's charged by my solar panel. And okay, so my battery just ran out, but here we go. I have this slow cooker plugged into my inverter, which is being charged by this solar panel. Actually, the solar panel charges this battery, and that's a charge controller. And then that energy goes over to the inverter down there, and that changes the DC to AC so that I can plug stuff in. And so I need to stir this. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's boiling. This crock pot is a good model. It gets hot pretty fast. But as you can see, I'm nicely cooking some food here. And some people might ask, well, why are you cooking out there when you can cook in the kitchen? Well, because today I wanted to do something fun and different. And when you do things fun and different, oftentimes you learn things. Doesn't that look good? So I've got squash in there, kale, as you can see, lots of beets in both red and orange, spices, onions, garlic, a big fat head clove of garlic is in that. It's also got some mushrooms, and all of this is organic. And it's cooking so nicely. Check out my custom handle. Anyway, so yeah, we're cooking with power from the sun in two different ways. So as you can hear, the inverter's fan is on right now, and that's to cool it down whenever this thing gets a bit warm. And that's not even that warm, I don't believe. But it keeps itself cool. And this battery is still at 13.5 volts, so it's like barely even doing anything to heat that big solar, or that big slow cooker is barely even doing anything, especially with the sun full on. The sun is full on right now, charging the battery. So yeah, it's really good. So handy. And I hope that you are well. All is well here. We're having a really nice day here in North Carolina. I'm going to a festival. I'm really excited to go to a festival this weekend. And yeah. Any mail today? Nope.